Hello students, today we are going to start 5th unit, that is e-banker and internet banking. In this unit we are going to study the meaning and definition of e-banking. So due to competition, bankers have to improve the services provided by them. They have to provide the banking services through electronic mode, or they have to provide modern banking services to the customers. What is the meaning of e-banking or electronic banking? Electronic banking means providing or rendering financial service for individual customer by means of internet. When financial services are provided with the help of internet, that is called as e-banking or electronic banking. That means banking services provided by use of internet, that is called as e-banking. Electronic banking refers to conducting the banking activities with the help of information technology and computer. When banking activities are conducted with the help of information technology and computer, that is called as e-banking. E-banking means electronic banking. It means all transactions are carried through electronic media. All banking transactions are carried through electronic media, that is the meaning of e-banking. Now, what are the features of electronic banking? The first feature is introduction of MICR, Electronic Funds Transfer System, check transaction technology, personal computer power, 24 hours banking service, 7 days a week, interactive voice response systems, insurance products, share dealing, electronic shopping mail, development of plastic card, electronic fund transfer at point of scale. So these are the features of electronic banking. The first feature is introduction of MICR. So what is MICR? MICR is a new technology which has been introduced by Reserve Bank of India for speedy clearing of checks and drafts. So it is a process of clearing checks and drafts with very high speed, and this technology has been introduced by Reserve Bank of India. Now what is the long form of this MICR? MICR is magnetic ink character recognition. It is the character recognition of checks and drafts. So meaning of magnetic ink character recognition of checks and drafts. So what is MICR? MICR is a technology under which checks and drafts are processed using magnetic ink character recognition format. Now what are the advantages of this MICR? So no errors. In MICR checks and drafts, errors are very less. So because everything is done with the help of technology, with the help of machines, there are likely chances that errors will be very less compared to everything which is done by human beings. So therefore, the checks and drafts are easily read by the machines. Machines could read these checks and drafts very easily. Transfer of funds. The transfer of funds between two banks takes place easily and quickly. So whenever funds are transferred from one bank to another bank, by using this MICR technology, the transfer will be very easy and quick transfer can be done with the help of MICR technology. Avoiding fraud. So because of use of this technology, the genuineness of the check and draft can be easily established. This helps to avoid the fraud. So whether that check is genuine or fake check, it can be easily recognized by MICR technology, and this will help to avoid fraud. Easy clearance of checks and drafts. The MICR technology helps for easy clearance of checks and drafts. Disadvantages of MICR. The first disadvantage is it is used in few cities. So it is limited. So one first disadvantage of MICR technology is, so it is used in limited cities only, few cities only. So this facility is available only to few customers, not to all the customers. Second disadvantage is, okay. Second disadvantage is it is costly. MICR requires acquisition of special equipment and special quality bank. So for using this technology, whenever technology is to be used, special equipments are required, and for that purpose they have to maintain the special quality of bank which should have all the electronic facilities should be there. So installation cost of those equipments may be higher. So this technology is costly. That is the second disadvantage of this MICR technology. Third disadvantage is great care should be taken. So great care should be taken while handling this MICR checks and drafts. Now what is this MICR in detail? So MICR code is a 9-digit number. It is a number which will have 9 digits in that, which is printed at the bottom of the check. It is unique. It is different to each and every bank. So MICR code of every bank will be different, and it is a 9-digit number, 9-digit code. These numbers are printed in different font and style and with a special ink. That special ink can be recognized by magnetic character ink reader. It is used to improve and enhance security with regard to transactions. So these numbers will be printed in different font and style with a special ink at the on the checks, and it is used to improve and enhance the quality or security with regard to the transactions. 9-digit MICR code contains following information. So what information will be given in this 9-digit MICR code? The first 3 digits indicate the city code. Code of the city will be in the first 3 digits. Second 3 digits indicate the bank code, and the last 3 digits, that is third 3 digits, indicate the branch code. So in this way the MICR will contain the 9-digit code. It is a 9-digit code. First 3 digits indicate city code, second 3 digits indicate bank code, and third 3 digit indicates branch code. So this is about the first point, that is introduction of MICR. In that we have discussed the advantages and disadvantages of MICR technology. Thank you.